Now here's another excellent example of a Colt Model 1900, except this one is a rather unique one. I'm going to pan back here so you can see this one next to it. Now, what's the difference here? Well, this one is a miniature, a fully functional miniature. Let me see if I have something to put up here to give you a comparison. Here's my car keys next to it. I give you an idea of the scale of it. We'll set it. See if I can get both these in the frame. And you can see this is a fully functional 1900 miniature. It even has a working sight safety on it. Beautiful little example of some craftsmanship there. Wow, that is something else.